Fossil Unboxing is on tour. We are at Leeds City Museum at the Discovery Centre with loads of amazing stuff with Claire, the curator. This is here's Claire. This is an unusual place to be at the collections because we've got everything out here. This is all of the Leeds City Museum collections. We have albatrosses, porpoise skeletons, owls. Some people are lesbian, get over it. Chairs, motorcycles, and a hippo somewhere down there who looks a bit tired. But over here we have some fossils. Okay, let's go for a little explore and see what we can find. Now, we're here to look for fossil fish, but I'm distracted, of course, by the sight of these lovely arthropods. Up here, what do we have? Some lovely looking trilobites. What is this one? Fossil Unboxing going on tour is looking at new things here. Got to keep our eye on the prize here. Wow, look at this tiny one. Ordovician of Wales, which I guess there's no shortage of Ordovician Welsh trilobites, but still, these are nice. Obviously, we're going to have a look at what this chunky one is. Dortops. Very nice for public engagement. Right, let's go and have a look for some fishies. Lots of osteichthyons, obviously. Now, I've been warned that this one is a fake. Let's have a look. Oh, nice, but if it's fake, what is it? Coelocanth, upper Carboniferous, but not. And a fake fishy with your fake mouth. Interesting, I wonder who made that and why. But we're looking for... Ooh, trace fossils, that's not what we're after. Trace fossils. Annelids, is it? Wormy bits? Annelids. Osteichthyes. Straight away, we are dealing with osteichthyes. This is the sort of thing that Sam might be far more interested in. I might feed for all you fossil fish fans, but look at this one here. This is far too recent for me. This is Eocene. What are we talking about here, Eocene? We don't need that. But still, what a lovely fish. Presumably from Italy. Montebolca, Italy, yes. Lovely. Again, another 3 dimensional preservation there. One for scanning. Ooh, what's this critter here? Look at that nice pyrite in this one. Wonder where that's from. Urinotus. Scotland, Carboniferous. Okay, so we're dealing with some Paleozoic critters now, mixed in with some more recent critters. Dipterus, here we go. This is a Paleozoic friend we're more used to. Still can't find any jawless critters though. Lovely. Lovely fishies. Montebolca produced them. Obviously we don't know how they ended up in Leeds. Okay, I think we've found the relevant box. Osteichthyes 13. Some things in here may or may not be osteichthyes, depending on how you look at it. Unfortunately, slim pickings for jawless fans, depending on how you feel about Palaeontologist. Now, these are quite lovely ones. Now, obviously, before we get too excited about Palaeontologist, there are absolutely hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of these specimens at collections throughout the UK. But it is from Scotland and it is Devonian, so that's what we're here for, Devonian fishies. Question, is it a lungfish? Is it a hagfish? Is it a shark? Is it a juvenile? Is it an adult? Dangerous questions to ask. Here is the only pattern we've been able to find. Pterygoides milleri. We also got some very lovely Ludlow bone bed here. Classic. All the fishies all squashed up. So, this is what these have. Interesting stuff, but I think we may be disappointed with jawless fossil fish fans. Never mind, there'll be more to look at another time. Final thought, let's return back to this coelacanth with this face. Now what's interesting about this critter is, I wasn't paying enough attention beforehand. We've got these so-called teeth. What on earth has happened there? But here are its ventral fins on its head. This critter's gone bonkers. What we've got here is an upside down fish. Someone's carved a face on it, but it's like that Margaret Thatcher illusion where it's completely upside down with the head going the wrong way and these fins sticking at the top. Not a jawless fish, but it's still fun. Hey, what is happening in here? What is this mouth? What is this smile?